Hi, this is John with WTI. And as my barber told me lately that I'm having like a dry scalp, and I've been trying to grow my hair a little bit this past few months. And this is where this TRESemme Pro Line Premium Shampoo. And what I like the most about this is first of all, great smell. This is probably the same thing. And something that guys will be like really nice to do. This is in 7-in-1. So there's 7 different cases that where you can use this shampoo, and it's just gonna give your hair and your scalp like a nice hydration. At the same time, nice smell and all the properties and nice things that your hair, your scalp for it to keep moisturized and to keep the whole hygiene of your hair and your whole self working nice. So the way that I've used this is just like nice smell and just like adding this every few days just to get not to wash my hair as so often and not to keep it too dry, but at the same time keeping the hygiene as it should be. So this is John with ATI, and that was my point of view.